Hi everyone, my name is Messajoy M. Gallegos.
I am Desiree Trinidad. And I am Stephanie Leo Mandate.
And we are the
TriSpark.
And this is our app called Skills Swap Campus.
Our app helps students find classmates who can help them skills.
And also, let them share what they know.
In our system, we have 5 functional requirements. First is the user can register and create an account. Second, the user can log into the system. Third is the user can add skills to teach and skills to learn. Fourth is the user can search for available skills and view the list of students. The last one is the user can request a skill swap. In our system, the student is the only user. A student can create a profile, add skills, search for skills, request a swap, and view the status of their swap request. The main use case is the skill swap, where a student selects a skill they want to learn, chooses a classmate, and sends a swap request. The system records the request and updates the student on its status. This use case shows everything a student can do inside the Skill Swap campus system.
Now let me explain how the app works step by step. First, the student logs in, and then the student searches for a skill. After that, the student selects another student and click Request Swap. The system processes the request, and the database saves the request swap. And then the system shows the result for the student. Here is our database schema. We store users' information, the skills, the swap requests. This helps the system track all users and their skill swaps.
Now let's demonstrate our app. So first, the user sees the login screen. Before logging in, the user must register first. After registering, the user goes back to the login screen and logs in. After logging in, the feed screen appears. On the feed screen, the user can add a skill and search for available skill to learn. The user can see the list of skills and the list of usernames of students who offer those skills. The user selects a student and clicks the request button. After sending the request, the success message appears. This shows that the swap request was sent successfully.